not to be entertained for 5 years. 27. Not to make rules by State Bar Council. 29. Advocate to only class of persons entitled to practice. 32. Bar court to permit not advocate. 34. Howket power to make rules for Para court to permit non-advocate. 33. Advocate for entitled to practice courts alone. Practice in courts. 34. High court power to make rule for a condition of practice. 34. High court. 35. Punishment of by Supreme Court Bar Council, State Bar Council for misconduct. 36. Punishment, reprimand, suspend or remove. 34. Howket power to make rules, condition of practice. Section 36. Disciplinary power of Bar Council. Section 36B. Disposal of disciplinary proceedings. 1 year. There is an appeal to Bar Council from State Bar Council order. There is an appeal to Supreme Court Bar Council order. 41. Bar Council rules on Bar Council's rules on standard of professional conduct. Jurisprudence means rise of law, standard of professional conduct. 38. Appeal to Supreme Court Bar Council order. Ethics. Section 12. Bar to further suit a plaintiff relinquishes part when foreign judgment not conclusive, cease ground. Presumption as to foreign judgment. Certified copy. Section 15. Court in which suits to be instituted. Which state suits to be instituted. Lowest grade. Section 16. Suits for immovable property where property situate. Presumption as to foreign judgment. Section 15. Court in which suits to be instituted. Lowest grade. Immovable property where property situate. 16. Suits. Lowest grade. 17. Immovable property in different jurisdiction. Any court. Section 18. Place. Institution when jurisdiction uncertain. Any one court. Wrong to person movables. Suits for wrong to person movables. Wronged on or defendant. Suits for wrong person movables. Suits for wrong person. 18. Place of institution when jurisdiction uncertain. Any one court. Section 29. Defendant resides or cause of action. Cause of defendant rejects. Section 19. Suits for wrong to person moves. Were wronged on or defendant. Section 22. Part to transfer suit. 1. Application. Section 21. Objection to decision to be taken. Earliest. Section 24. General power of transfer by High Court, District Court. Section 25. Power of Supreme Court to transfer any suit. Section 26. Institution of suits by plaintiff. Section 27. Summon to defendant on admission of plaintiff. Section 28. Serve of summon on defendant residing in other state. Section 'This is the confession of Evidence Act. Section 27. 28. Service of someone defendant residing in another state through the state court. Section 29. Service of foreign summons through political agent. Section 30. Power to order discovery. Court. Section 32. Penalty for default witness. Fine £500. 30. Judgment to pronounce in open court. Section 34. Interest maximum rate 6% per annum unless contract. Section 35. Cost at discretion of court. 35A. Compensatory clause for false claims. Section 3000. Section 35B. Cost of delay to be paid. 6. Application to order same as decrees. Section 37. Definition of court which post decree. Court of first instance. 38. Decree may be executed by court which passed or to be which sent. Court of first instance. Transfer of decree to another court. Transfer the High Court for execution. Section 40. Power of 42. Power of executing court. Same as court which passed. Section 46. Precept to the court to attach property. Section 47. Questions in education to be determined by executing court. Section 48. Limitation for execution 12 years. Section 49. Transfer of decree. Transferee whole subject to equities. Whole subject to equities. Section 49. Transfer of decree. Whole subject to equities. Limitation for execution 12 years. Limitation for execution Questions in education to be determined by educating court. For education, 12 years. 49. Transfer of a decree. All subject to equities. Legal representative liability to extend a property. Section 50. Legal representative liability to extend a property. Section 51. Powers of court to enforce execution. Delivery, attachment, arrest. Fifty-eight.